Good to see you back, Renegades, in my second video in the relaxation and decompression series. In my previous video, I clarified why authentic relaxation is becoming scarcer by the day, the karmic consequence of this on our system, and that the solution is found in taking a proactive attitude when it comes down to relaxation. You must intentionally schedule for it in your high-paced life as a modern-day professional. If you haven't seen this video, I highly recommend to do so and to start with the first part of the suggested micro-practice. The essence can be captured in the following sentence. If you wish to reclaim a restful mind, an energetic body, and even on a deeper level a fulfilled heart, you better start prioritizing authentic relaxation now. So the breathing pattern that I'm going to share in the next few minutes will increase the potency and effectiveness of your daily relaxation breaker tremendously. As you might or might not know already, your breath is incredibly powerful. You can use your breath consciously to alternate other functions of the so-called autonomic nervous system like your heart rate, blood pressure, and body temperature. The breath can therefore be used to help you deliberately move towards a desired polarity of the nervous system arousal spectrum to meet the demands of any circumstance best. In this fashion, you'll be able to respond better to what life demands of you in any given situation. Let's take a plunge into the powerful breathing technique that you are about to learn, which will help to relax and restore your physiological system instantly. The Mindful Island Wave Breathing Technique. The wave breathing pattern is developed by Sarah and myself and merges insights from recent scientific research with elements from yogic pranayama and Navy SEAL box breathing. The wave breathing pattern is done entirely through your nose and consists of 4 phases. Phase 1 is the inhale. Initiate the breath in your stomach and move it gently towards your chest in about 2 seconds. Then pause briefly and add an additional short but vigorous second inhale. This is how it looks or sounds like. The second inhale allows the alveoli to open entirely and get more oxygen in. After the second inhale, hold your breath for a 2 count. This is the end of the second phase in the wave breathing pattern. The subsequent third phase is a prolonged nasal exhale in which you will make a deep humming sound for a count of 5. This is how the nasal humming exhale sounds like. Humming has shown to increase the release of the molecule nitric oxide into your bloodstream, resulting in vasodilation, or in other words, the widening of blood vessels. This lowers blood pressure, improves circulation, and induces a relaxation response. The wave breathing pattern is then concluded with a 3-second count hold after the exhale. As you perhaps have noticed in the instruction, the exhale portion is twice as long as the inhale portion of the wave breathing pattern. This is not without reason. I don't want to dive too deep into physiology in this video, so the only mechanism that you need to know is the following. Every time you emphasize the inhale in terms of duration or intensity in comparison to the exhale, you will increase your heart rate, release more adrenaline, and activate your nervous system. When you emphasize the exhale, the opposite effect occurs. It will lower your heart rate frequency and therefore calm the nervous system. Now you know exactly why the wave breathing technique will aid the effectiveness of your daily relaxation breaker so well. Having a basic understanding of this mechanism will allow you to explore breathing possibilities and alternate your breath to induce a state that will help to meet your momentary requirements best. That having said, follow along for a few wave breathing cycles. Sit up straight, so not in a slouch position, and exhale all air from your lungs and follow along for 6 cycles. Notice the calming effect. Now start adding the wave breathing technique to your daily relaxation breaker for about 6 cycles. Then drop all conscious effort and find even deeper rest. Remember, don't forget to disengage from all screens. Authentic relaxation and screens of any kind are a mismatch. Renegades do not only notice, they also act accordingly in order to give the system the authentic relaxation it needs to restore internal balance, counter restlessness, chronic fatigue, impulsivity, boost overall vitality, and move towards your deepest aspirations. This was all for today. Thank yourself for watching this video, and until next time.